Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now, music heavyweights Buju Banton, Freddie McGregor and Toots Hibbert have been selected as finalists for the 2020 staging of the Jamaica Festival Song Competition. Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Grange officially announced the finalists this morning during the virtual launch of the competition on TVJ's Small Jamaica morning program.
I had to do something about resuscitating the festival song and generating interest from the industry in the competition and to, take it back to its former glory.
No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. Everybody jump, put your one in the air. Move to the left and put your one in the air. Move to the right and put your one up in the air.
Thank Father God for guide and protect us in this festival.
Milliard man, people are research the best place on earth, so make me introduce you to me island.
One people, oh, one country, oh, hey, spreading love everywhere.
Eternal Father, bless our land with justice, truth and right.
Jamaica will make you so happy.
Hear me now. The place I know and the place I grow, Jamaica is my home.
More than 50 years strong, we are Jamaica.
Rolling by, wave the flag them high, high, high. Wave the flag them high, high, high.
Due to COVID-19 and social distance requirements, the 2020 staging of the Jamaica Festival Song Competition will be virtual and aired from TVJ Studios on July 12 and 19. Now to news overseas, where celebrities including Taylor Swift, Beyonce and Justin Timberlake joined Barack and Michelle Obama over the weekend to celebrate graduates worldwide at a virtual event dubbed Dear Class of 2020. Aired on YouTube, Dear Class of 2020 featured commencement speeches and performances and also saw Taylor Swift sharing her graduation story.
And I ended up getting mailed my diploma. So it wasn't exactly what I pictured, but I was still really proud of it. And I guess one good lesson to come from it is expect the unexpected.
While Beyonce shared her struggles as a woman in the entertainment industry.
The entertainment business is still very sexist. It's still very male-dominated, and as a woman, I did not see enough female role models given the opportunity to do what I knew I had to do.
Dear Class of 2020 was intended to honor both college and high school seniors whose graduations were cancelled due to the coronavirus pandemic. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.